you were last videoing in here. We've done a lot of ground cover around here, the goods yard area. It's still, shall we say, a bit squishy, but I couldn't resist starting to put some stuff out. We've done a lot of the ballasting, as you can see. There's still a lot to do. Still doing a lot of the electrics as well. Such is my want. I like to mix things up rather than do everything of one particular job at the same time. I do quite like to, do a bit of the electrical side and then move to the scenic side, and do stuff in little different areas as well. So you do a load in one area and then do something completely different in another area of the model, just to mix things up a little bit and stop boredom from setting in. Still haven't really done a lot with this station area. Apart from we've ballasted through, some of the signals are in. These are just, they're placeholders, this as well. All it is I'm trying to decide what kind of buildings I want on the station platforms. So I've tried a few different kits just to get an idea of what would work and what wouldn't. I still need to finish off that platform there as well. I got bored laying platforms. We're doing a lot of running of the trains at the moment, which is good fun. And I love the noise. I find it very relaxing, the noise that they make as they go round.